Hood is trending as traders and investors debate two powerful and very different narratives colliding at the same time. On one side, Robinhood stock continues to show a tight correlation with the highly volatile crypto market, amplifying both upside momentum and downside risk as Bitcoin and altcoins experience sharp swings. This linkage has made Hood a proxy trade for broader crypto sentiment, drawing in short term traders while also increasing exposure to sudden macro driven sell offs. On the other side, community discussion has intensified following a report suggesting the U.S. government is considering Robinhood as a platform to manage proposed Trump accounts for children, a concept framed around early age investment or savings initiatives. While details remain speculative, the idea has sparked aggressive debate. Bulls argue that such a partnership could represent a massive long term user growth catalyst, potentially onboarding millions of young accounts and locking in lifetime customers. Bears, however, question execution risk, political uncertainty, and whether the report will translate to any tangible revenue. This dual narrative has fueled speculative buying alongside rising short interest as traders position themselves for sharp post earnings moves in either direction. Options activity has picked up, with participants hedging against volatility while others look to capitalize on potential surprise catalysts. With earnings approaching, market participants are closely watching crypto price action, regulatory headlines, and any confirmation or denial related to the government account discussion. The setup has left sentiment sharply divided, with many expecting elevated volatility as traders weigh whether Robinhood is facing headline driven risk or standing at the edge of a transformative opportunity.
So Hood is down 10.14%. This is Monday, the 2nd of February 2026. Usual 50-day average volume is around 23 million shares. It's currently moving 47.26 million shares. Quite a big day for the stock. High beta, yes, 2.2. Underlying trend still remains bullish. The stock has been on a downtrend since, let's see now, since November, since early November. Yeah. As a matter of fact, it was actually consolidating up till the middle of January, but since then it has just continued to print lower prices. And indeed, that is what is still expected to continue to print up till the 11th of February. Then it might attempt to bounce, but just it's just going to be a dead cat bounce. And after that, the downtrend may resume. Projections are currently saying 76.88, 83.80, 95.01. Okay, this is its daily chart. Previous projections we have as high as 151.75, 166.13, 175.02. Market greed, it's trading outside of the market greed because of this 10% plunge. Let's see now. We will get back to the market greed. Let's try the price pressure momentum. This tells us how much it appreciates or depreciates on a daily basis, going by what is going on right now. Okay, let's see what we have down here. So it's losing $1.84 every day as things stand right now, and the momentum is expected to continue to decay up to Tuesday the 10th. Then after that, it might pick up. Is when is it disclosing its earnings? So that will be on the 10th. Okay, so that's the same day as well. So it's expected to continue to weaken towards its earnings outcomes. That will be next Tuesday. Yeah, next Tuesday. Yes. Let's have a look at its weekly chart. No extrapolations here. It hasn't been around that long. 93.59 is the upper projection. Then let's go back to the monthly chart. Not going to be a lot more scanty here. Here, nothing, just downward projection of 17.54. So we have to return to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, lower prices are expected to continue to print in line with what we have on the daily chart towards tomorrow, the 3rd. Then after that, it might attempt to bounce, but also may not get close to its 40 period moving average. Momentum equally aligned, equally validating what we have here. Expect to pick up from tomorrow, the 3rd. Projections here are saying, yeah, a lot more encouraging. 11111.16, 114.43, 116.45. Let's have a look at the market grid. It may not have printed anything. But we'll try anyway. Okay, yes, it has adjusted. So let's see. We have between 93.72 and 87.9. So it's currently at 87.4, 89.4. This is where it is right now, just in the support zone. So lower prices still very much possible. Yeah, lower prices still very much possible. Okay, let's just say that it has a decent support around from 88.58 to 87.90. That's a decent amount of support. And up further up, if it attempts to reverse course, then it has yeah, these resistances to face. Okay, going by what we have, it has printed before. Yeah, 91. There's a decent, there's a strong support, a strong resistance at $91. Yeah, outside that, yeah, there's a triple one. Okay, well, that's a bit far fetched now, right? So there might be a resistance at around $91 for the stock. So let's return to the for daily chart and see as well what we have there. Okay, on the daily chart, we have the extrapolations of its 10. This is the 40-day moving average. This is the 3-day moving average. So the 3-day moving average is extrapolating that a rebound is possible. But what are the odds of that happening? Not very high, not very high. 116, and then further down, further weakness 90. Also, both are indicating upper projections. 96.67 and 116.27 because the stock has been weakening here. So this is the 40-day moving average. Yeah, 40-day moving average. This is the 3-day moving average. They are both indicating that a rebound is possible, but it's at the same time as well. It's because the stock has been declining. The price of the stock is ahead of them. So we'll see how all of that will go, and we'll see. Okay, so stock is currently trending right now. Let's see what we have. So far, so good. Okay, quite liquid as well. Okay, so see what you make of Hood stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.